Hey guys, welcome back. We got another gear review. This time the folks from Kincamp have sent us an awesome Loveseat chair, a double chair. Really cool. So we're gonna check it out. Came in a box. We already left that at home. It came wrapped up, as you can see. Gonna get rid of that. Got a nice handle on it. Carry handle. Some instructions, which are pretty small, you can't really see, but it's got a couple clasps. So it's not actually a carrying bag, it is open here, probably because it's so large, but it still will protect it. As you know, we love Kincamp stuff. That's what our bamboo table is, and that we bought with our own money. This, they sent it to us, and they reached out, and we were more than happy to try it. So we like their products. They have a lot of good stuff. It's got 3 Velcro straps to kind of keep it, help you wrap it up. You don't want to lose those. So it rolls up. This is the cushion. Here's the frame of it. Let's check it out. Let's see if you guys can see that. So just collapses easily when you're ready to put it away or set up. Boom, done. It's got these pockets which will go over these, and the only weird thing to me is the tag is at the top. Probably gonna cut that off. But it's real nice and plush. And honestly, you can probably never have enough camp chairs. You know, we've got quite a few. Other companies have sent us some. We've bought a bunch of them. Some of them, you know, they do wear out eventually. Nothing lasts forever. Especially when you're using it just about every week. Probably best to put the bottom on first. A little harder to do when your fingers are frozen. We're out here winter camping again. Was not this hard when I tried it at home. Just looping over the back. As you can see right here, maybe. So you're just looping or sliding this over, and that's it. And that's it. You gotta test it out.
Out this chair. Let's see. Nope. Oh, I like that. It's comfy. Just enough for 2. What do you? Nope. Not you. It's not enough for 3. Off.
2, maybe 3. It's rated to 600 pounds, so you can, if you're a big person like me. But it's very comfortable. Yep. I would give it a thumbs up for sure. Thank you to Kincamp for reaching out to us and sending it to us. Definitely going to use it in the future.
It'll be nice in our setup outdoor room.
Well, I think it'll really be good in the hot tent too.
Yes.
On one side. It kind of consolidates and it takes up less space than 2 separate chairs. So the cushion's really thick, soft.
Very durable. I like that it's gray. It's not going to show a lot of dirt.
There is a tan color, so you got 2 options. I'll put a link below. I think there might be a discount code. But very soft, and the stitching is really good. It is durable. And the dog wants to get up here too. But I would highly recommend it. Kincamp makes great products. We love the bamboo table. We've been using it for over a year now. Maybe even 2 years. I did a video on it on tables, and it was part of those. So
Yeah, very durable. It's been through all the weather conditions and it's done really
they
well.
they make good products for camping, and we were really happy that they reached out and sponsored this video. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.
Gonna see you guys next time.
It's pretty portable. You can move it around once you set it up. I probably would just set it up where you want it, and then you don't have to move it. But only thing I wish they had done was make a zipper on this somehow on this bag, because you're gonna want to keep these in here and they can fall out easily. But overall, still a great chair. Definitely recommend it.
Come. There you go.
So it's 20.8 by 72.4 by 16.9, and it weighs 19.5 pounds.